Welcome back to
welcome.
another episode of
DC Cafe.
The Juice Bar.
What?
And now we're here with another recipe.
Our self-creation this time.
Yeah, and we have named this what? HVC.
Oh, yeah, that's right. HVC. And what does that stand for?
High Vitamin C Juice.
That's right.
So as of right now, that is the baseline name.
Yeah.
Until we juice her up and see what we think of it.
We have probably about 8 strawberries here. Good quarter of a watermelon. We got a little bit of about a cup of pineapple. I have a cup of cantaloupe, and there's probably about a quarter of a cup of blueberries. All of these are high. No, there's no peach in there. It's all cantaloupe.
Oh, okay. Well,
yeah. So you get all these together, and it creates a vitamin C super pack
Juice.
of a punch. Because right now we could use the immune system boosting benefits of these beautiful fruits here.
Right,
so
here we go. Oh no! Throw it at me! Okay, I can't get it all in them. Alright, well, let's get it shoving.
Oh god. Delicious!
Smell good though.
Oh gosh, it smells like strawberries in here again.
Oh no.
I'll never share my strawberry secret recipe though. Oh,
Right.
let's roll.
Let's get it shoving.
Now you're off center. Now the food processor actually gets rid of a lot of the seeds in this process.
Yeah, it does.
So it actually helps to de-seed your strawberries in the process.
Alright, here we go with the watermelon.
Juicy watermelon. Oh yeah. Put that watermelon in that whole... Will you not eat the ingredients?
I didn't know them.
Oh, okay. Put the watermelon in there.
I'm trying to.
We need the juice. Yeah. Oh, you splashed me with your watermelon juice. So
I think
weak.
it's full.
Yeah, it only took a couple pieces to
Alright,
get
let's
full.
get it shoving!
Okay.
Let's-
This is slower.
Oh.
Oh, look at all that juice. It's leaking, man.
Is it?
Yeah, just a little. Here, you got a little bit there.
I don't have no leakage over here.
Let's get that down in that hole. Oh, yeah. Push it down in there.
Ah! Bubbles!
Is that it? Yeah.
That's about all you can get out. Alright, let's get it shoving.
You don't have to say it every time. Oh. We have some frontal leakage in the North Corridor.
In the North Corridor, we have leakage. Gosh, it's a big size.
Right? Shove it in there!
Let's get it shoving.
It's just watermelon.
Oh my god.
You're gonna slither on the
I
side.
know, it's like slime.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, let's just go ahead and just process it. Yeah, that's right. I win.
Hey, actually, this is creating a lot of juice.
Oh.
Flipping watermelon around.
Alright,
Oh, here's another chunky chunk. Maybe I didn't cut them small enough.
I
Thought the hole was bigger.
That's what he said.
I hope not.
Oh.
Oh, God. Hey, pour the juice in there. Why not? There we go. Oh, watermelon. So delicious. Is that a big old chunk of watermelon right there?
Yep.
Okay, that's what I figured. Oh, I hope these pieces are small enough now, because these are a lot bigger.
Yeah, a little bit.
There's a lot of ingredients this time.
Oh, yeah. This should be good.
More don't always mean better. That's what she said.
Ooh.
That like
Hello.
liquefied. The fun you can have with a food processor, right, guys? Oh gosh.
Oh, it smells so good.
Right?
Mix them in there.
Mix them up. Oh, I forgot about the grapes we put in here too. Just like 5-6 grapes. Just enough to get grapiness.
Oh, that's a little.
Nice, I can out of my finger too far in there.
What was green?
Green.
I have a chunk of green over here.
That may be the leaf from the strawberry.
Okay.
Oh, come on, man. That was funny. Uh-oh. Lost the blueberry. I'm sure the dog will take care of that. Oh, my God. I just want to lick my finger.
We're not supposed to be.
You know we gotta.
Let's see what we got on tap. Oh, wow.
Some paste. Hey, there's some of the berries that need to be down there.
There's big old chunks on your side.
Oh, God.
Ew.
It's so mushy.
It is nasty. It's so nasty.
I think I got a lot of it. The paste, as Dee would say, is very delicious.
Go for it. I'll just hold it down.
Uh-oh. It's not coming on.
Huh. Got safety switch.
Make sure yours has a safety switch.
Huh.
That actually looks really good.
Ooh, look at the layers
Why do I feel like we need to mix this somehow?
in it. You want to mix in your cup?
Cool. Mix in my cup. Mix in my cup. Mix in my cup. We like to have mix in my cup. Look how pretty. It looks like a smoothie.
That does have a good color.
Very good color, guys. Very good.
It's going to be a little tarty.
Yeah. Tardy.
Yeah.
It's
All
gonna
right,
be late.
to the juice bar.
Juice bar! Woo!
HVC. Oddly, don't have much flavor.
No, not really. It's actually really good, though.
Watermelon. Watermelon
It's like
overpowers.
standing out.
It's like drowned every other flavor out.
Oh, yeah, the watermelon takes up, but it's not a bad thing by no means.
I wonder if we would have added a banana or something in it. That's what we forgot.
We should add a banana, but
We should have added a
for
banana.
the sweetness. But it's sweet. It's holding its own. I could drink this. If I was to drink this, even just for the health benefits, I could do it. It's actually quite good. It's
What
like
are
a
we naming
watermelon
it?
slush.
Well, you gotta actually name this one?
Peak the light.
Pink.
Don't say it. No.
Pink Paradise.
Pink Paradise.
Pink Paradise.
Because it tastes like a tropical explosion in your mouth.
Pink Paradise.
That's the pineapple on the back end of it. You get that very pineapple-y taste at the end. It's watermelon then pineapple.
That gives it that tropical.
Oh, we should put this over ice.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it'd be so good over ice.
This is a good slush, too.
I could do this. Alright. Could definitely do this.
HVC. Pink Paradise.
Well, I think that's the first one we actually are drinking and enjoying.
Yay. It is strong, though. Ooh, gosh.
It's good, but it's strong.
It's good, but man, that flavor smacks you.
And actually, oddly, drinking it is making me feel better.
It does.
It makes my stomach feel nice.
It's foamy, though, too.
Well, that's because we're using a fruit processor instead of a juicer.
All right, so we rate this.
Alright. Excuse me. I have to give it a 9 cup out of 10. Or
9 out of 10?
Is that how we do it?
Glasses?
Glasses.
Or cups?
Cups?
Yeah, cups.
Or
Yeah.
how many?
Cups. It's cups.
Was it 1 through 5?
No.
Or was it 10?
It was 10.
Okay, 9 out of 10 cups. Because I could probably drink 9 cups of this.
I think it's really, really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
But I almost feel like the flavor is almost too in your face.
But
it
that's almost a good
bothers me. It's enough to actually kind of irritates my stomach a little bit in a weird way. It's like too much at once. It's like too much of a good thing. So I'd have to dock it, and I have to give it an 8.
Oh,
I give it an
so it's
8
still a
out
heck
of
of a
10.
score.
Yeah, definitely an 8 out of 10.
For what again?
That'd be a total of what, 8.5.
Yeah.
So an overall rating of 8.5.
For Pink Paradise.
Pink Paradise, HVC.
High vitamin C, antioxidant infused juicy juice.
Just juice. That's not juice.
Oh, I was trying to say childlike, not as a brand.
But that's brand.
Yeah. Well,
And that
all right.
gives us another juice here on
DC Cafe.
the Juice Bar. And don't forget to subscribe and check out last week's episode and the last on location.
Above my head.